Guys, you can smell it. It smells so good. Subscribe. Welcome again, yardies. We're there again from Riverside. If I don't know how to do cooking all the way, we love nature, so always come from Riverside and all that, you know. And on stand like so, I don't know what I'm doing every day, right? The other day, they come to mind to try the Plantain festival. I'm at home. I say, alright, I try it on the vlog. I'm going to so I go on. So if you want, you can try it. So I fry some fish with the Plantain festival and also the field for toto. So alright, my bacon also pan Riverside. You see me? This is a simple recipe and all that. So guys, I'm showing you the ingredients them now. But if I'm showing the ingredients them, make sure say when you like the video, leave in the comment down below and tell me what you think about the video and all that. Comment as enough time as possible. You see me? Share it out. Show somebody the video. Tell somebody about the channel and make sure they subscribe. Please get me to 1K. And also from Instagram, Jeff876 and Yes Adventures. Link to the page them down below in the description. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. So I'm showing you what I go on now. Alright guys, so that's everything we're going to use today. Right? Alright. As you know, I'm calabash plate, fire paper, some cooking oil in the buckle. So I'm calabash plate again. With nutmeg, you know, and we have a flour. So you can bake the toto and all that and make the festival. So some flour in this again now. This after the fish, some Maggi season, all purpose, some jerk season of this, with sugar, with caramel, just with rose water, coconut powder for going to the festival, garlic, coconut oil, butter. See the mixed spice for going to the festival and the toto. This are the coconut trash we blend out because I never want to do too much work here at the river, so I just blend it at home with salt, you know, with fish. Guys, they make small, don't cost me out. As I say in a previous video, I'll leave the video there down below in the description. I'm gonna catch some fish. Them in a pan for about 2 years or more and not getting feeding and them are dead, you see me? So them now are going bigger than this. Yeah. So that's basically everything, guys. And with this towel, so some more things, you know. We grate the nutmeg. And I don't know a top and a bottom style for the toto. So this I'll go over the pot. You don't know. And this our baking powder, I don't know, so we can bake without baking powder. That now work out good. Yeah. See the Plantain here, we're going to the festival. Yeah. And with ginger. I don't know, so ginger have to go night. When you bake pudding and toto, I put a pinch of ginger night. And I tell you man, it change the whole mood. Very nice. Yeah man. So guys, the first thing we're gonna do. Guys, the first thing we're gonna do are the pudding, because you don't know, say the pudding I take a time to deal with. Put in the pudding. And we don't want rain catch me down here, so I do quick and fast, peeps. Every day rain fall. I come down over there, we do the video here. I win Friday and rain everything. As me set up everything and we catch a fire, we're gonna pour down. So I do the quick and fast, peeps. So stay tuned. See the guys, fire already start catch. So some stuff there. So when it's catch, guys, I'm going to coal, and then I use the coal because I don't kind of coal, and we don't want to put too much heat on the toto to burn up. You see me? So right now I'll get started and start make the mixture. You see me? Alright guys, so I do the coconut first. Now I do take out the clay, no? more strainy. I use a grater, I didn't get any strainer. Alright guys, so me have coconut milk in here, so I grate the ginger now, you know. We don't put too much ginger in it. And then the ginger overpower the coconut. So I add in the nutmeg now. Alright peeps, so I'll add in the spices them, you know. So the mixed spice. The rose and almond. And peeps, you can put like cinnamon powder and them thing in it. Sugar. Salt. Oh, mix up these things. Stop it. The bees we're adding the coconut trash now. And also flour. That's supposed to be alright. And don't know baking powder. Alright, like that. Stirring time I know. Want some more. Alright peeps, so what taste we are going to put in now? If we want any sugar or whatever. A little bit more sugar to it. I add piece more ginger to it because I don't taste no ginger. I must have ginger. I add more ginger, and the last piece as nutmeg. And then when I'm done that now, and I put on the fire, I'm showing back where I go and some soon come again peeps. Alright now peeps, so I tell you now to put on for the fire, you know? So that goes maybe?
Yeah.
Let's go with some. Jump on the fire, you know? Check time to this thing out when I use of it. I make it burn. There. Ella top, ella bottom, and low and I make it. Alright peeps, so I fire this to the fish and see the total right here so the fire kinda dead dump on top, so I'm gonna do back the fire on the top. I'm gonna say it not too big though. And peeps, see the fish there. See there? 5 fish for people. So
that's good.
little salt on it. I don't know, not too much, I don't know say the season have been started tonight. So the all-purpose. Look at the jerk season and like that people. So I'm chew on the pot on the fire so we can get the oil hot and everything there. So the people that looks like done start out already. So yeah man, see them people. So as soon as match when the fish and all that. Yeah man peep, so see there? Oil hot, girl snap hot. So a time now for the fish.
Yeah man, I see you on your part.
Alright guys, so time to throw in the fish them time, you know? So I get some flour on them. Alright now guys, so fish are going to fry. So I don't know, I need up the festival now. Alright peeps, so see platinum here. Get them greater on, you know. Normally, guys, see platinum are going greater now. Normally, over the home, I blend out the plantain. Just on the riverside now. You don't know, but greater it. Guys, so I'm going to know push them a fry. We got a turn already. Yeah, and see totally guys, I'm going to do a thing. And see the plantain here already. Yeah man guys, so I'm going to know. So I'm take out the fish out of the fire. Sorry, I'm not sure I'm making it because the phone keep on overheat. I don't know why. I don't want to overheat and stop turn on, but you did it. So I'm putting it guys. At the flour, the caramel, put a little of the rotten almond in it, little of the butter, coconut milk, and as you know, the flour is already, baking powder. I'm take out the fish them, put the butter now, you know. The fire they kind of dead down with them still. Man, so take out them here guys and throw in the festival and them check pan the total. So watch the pre while going. So come back again peeps because I'm say the phone keep on overheat. I don't know why. Be a trouble taking for morning. Yeah man, so soon come back again peeps. Yeah man guys, so time to throw in festival and now. Nah, for other festival you know guys, no festival. Prayer light. No, so we're not time for that. And no festival you know. You want to have no festival. Now for about dozen festival peeps.
I don't like
6 to me.
Okay.
See now get ready doing it?
Yeah.
Alright peeps, so
left that to me. Okay, up.
So I'm going people.
Okay, up here.
See the peeps? 2, 4, 6. 7. Any money come on like pot? Add that me a fry. Alright peeps, so what's what I'm going to put it on now? Show them in here. See the peeps? Start come out already. Niggle. Kind of soft same way. Yeah. Alright, so I'll give you some more for you guys. So with no overtime or so, this can done. As I say, I don't want to rush it because I don't want it to burn. Yeah man, it come on nice. That is it. See the peeps? Festival soon can turn, you know? Yeah. So get the next about 5 minutes and then we turn them. And then gonna start the same way, you know? Yeah. Alright peeps, when you see what I go on, as I said earlier, the phone keep on a step record because it I say you need to cool down, set to overheat. So every minute I record, it a stop. So I hope when I see what I go on and alright with what I'm showing you see me? Because me myself don't know how to look it because when you see what I go and see me, they're on the riverside, so when I say head there. I must say, like this video, comment below and tell me what you think about this idea. Plantain Festival. Guys, so nice. So you can check it out. And also share. Tell somebody about this channel. Show them the video. Just share it out, man. So them can see this and maybe interested and want to try it. You see me? So I'm going to share it out and subscribe if you're new. Get me to 1K please. My big one. Please get me to 1K. All I need 100 more subs. So just share it out, man. Take all the devices them in the house and subscribe to the channel. Please do that for me.
Yeah. Something of my proud indeed.
Peeps, I'm going to water, you know. You can't come and don't touch the water. But you are going to know. When I really want in after you eat and in the water. Because I don't know. But I feel sick. So I'm done for the festival and consume. And I'm going to wait until the something done bake. Then touch the water. Because long time I'm not going to have water. So when you see what I'm going, man, so I'm soon coming to people. Guys, so yeah, man, guys, at time to turn now, they're going to start burn up. Guys, they're easy burn because through the plantain night and the sugar and all that, easy to burn. See? I'm burning people. Show me there gaze and attack with the youth. Yeah, man, peeps, so it's what I'm going. So when them are done fry now, I'm going to take out. I'm link on the back because I'm consuming time because I'm hungry. And the youth hungry himself too. So I'm saying a previous video, guys. One night for festival, I want to watch it and fry up on a low heat. Yeah. Yeah, man. Guys, start burning up. So I'll give them a next minute or two. Then we take my fire. Alright, peeps. I fish that. Sugar here, guys. Next one, sugar and water because I don't know, so down here and thirsty, so next one, sugar and water. Yeah, man. And the rest of door here, as I say, I give him the care home so he can fry it for him and his family. Yeah, man. So go and stay tuned, guys. Him down there, so I wash a big body because that's what I use and make the sugar in the water, you know. Sugar and water, guys. Yeah, man. No orange tree and lime tree down here on the riverside. Okay, I make some lemonade there, so sugar and water I do it. Yeah, man, people. Fry fish and festival, Plantain Festival. And I don't know, sugar and water, through night. Alright. That's how I did today, guys. Take a pot of fire, bro. So you see, sugar and water, fry fish and festival on the riverside. Alright, put it close to the water so it can cool down fast. Yeah, man. So guys, let's have a cup today because we don't have no cup. Yeah, man. See them people. See here, 9 big cold plate. Sugar water people. Yeah, man. You see there? But I think it's what I go on now. Nice. Peeps. Fire fish. A festival. Nice. There you go.
Yeah, man, nice, man.
Guys, when them man eat, not talk. Very soft. You know, eat too much. As you go in your mouth, just melt it right in your mouth. The man peeps gonna water on, you know. Take a little dip. Whoa. Whoa. What a nice people. Yeah man people, Jamaica nice. Right now go. Look, you want to go and beat them a little bit. You know, give me a massage. Oh. Alright guys, so I'll go and dry until the total done. So hey man peeps, if you try this so that means that I make it to the end of the video. Thanks for making it this far. Guys, sorry I'm gonna get shown when the total done. My apologies. The reason why I'm gonna give a show no is because battery dead, and as I explained to you in the video, say the phone overheat, I don't know why. So it overheat and turn off and not turn on back. Is my battery dead and the rain is start fall. So I just leave it to my cousin. Me myself didn't even taste it. I just leave because man say yo, man, I want the rain catch me again because I start fall and ease up. Yeah. So make sure say like the video, share it out, show somebody this video. Make them know about the Ripe Plantain Festival. Just share it out, man, and make sure you subscribe if you're new. Yeah. So guys, I'm catching you in our next video, so look more and take care of yourself.